Hello friends, I am Dr. Ronak Shah, consultant homeopath practicing since last 30 years in India and Singapore. Today I will tell you regarding scope of homeopathy for tinnitus. Means कान में अनयूजुअल आवाज़ आ रही है, whistling sound आ रहा है, कई पेशेंटों की ये तकलीफ है. So tinnitus is a condition where a person hears noises in the ear without the presence of any external sound. This condition can affect either one ear or both the ears. Affected people also mention symptoms like the change of side from where the sounds are coming, as well as the intensity, pitch, volume, and the type of sound. In few cases, symptoms like vertigo, difficulty in hearing, discharge from ears, and fullness or heaviness in the ears are also present. Homeopathy medicines for tinnitus can help to decrease the severity of the symptoms and also treat the condition on a long-term basis. Here, people dealing with tinnitus often develop other conditions like depression, anxiety, insomnia, stress, and difficulty in concentrating as a result of hearing constant sounds. Different people hear different sounds when suffer from tinnitus. Some common sounds associated with the conditions are ringing, buzzing, roaring, and whistling. Actually, tinnitus is not a disease, but a symptom of disease. Now, causes of tinnitus. First, ear infections, wax in the ears, nasal allergies, certain drugs like methotrexate, quinine, aspirin, certain painkillers, noise-induced hearing loss, prolonged exposure to loud noise, especially industries, noise, ear or hair injury, emotional disorders such as anxiety, depression. In many cases, we have found no underlying physical cause can be identified. There are no conventional drugs available to cure tinnitus completely. So in most cases, tinnitus may develop as a result of some other underlying issue. Certain drugs are used to reduce the complications or severity of tinnitus. Other methods involve suppressing the symptoms with the help of noise masking contraption, where they do provide a certain degree of relief from the symptom of tinnitus. They rarely treat the problem. Homeopathy offers treatment for tinnitus which is effective. The aim of homeopathy is not only to treat tinnitus but to address its underlying cause and individual susceptibility. As far as therapeutic medication is concerned, several remedies are available to treat tinnitus that can be selected on the basis of cause, sensation, and modalities of the complaints. It can be used safely to treat tinnitus in people of all age groups. Further, these remedies also help to treat accompanying symptoms like vertigo, ear discharge, heaviness, fullness in the ears, and the conditions like Meniere's disease. The duration of homeopathy treatment for tinnitus varies from person to person, although the most cases gradually improvement over a given period has been noted. The chances of relapse of the condition is rare if treatment properly done. Now, managing tinnitus at home level, certain home tips may help to you. So prevention is always better than cure. So protecting the ears, staying away from the loud sounds or using earplugs or noise cancellation earphones in a noisy areas. Assessing the other risk factors that may contribute to the conditions are some ways to prevent the symptoms of tinnitus from getting worse. Certain food can help and supplements can increase the blood circulation in the body, while others help reduce the inflammations. Together, these foods can help to manage the symptoms of tinnitus. A deficiency of essential minerals like zinc can also aggravate tinnitus. Fruits like pineapples increase the blood circulation in the body and help lower blood pressure due to the high levels of potassium. Garlic also helps to increase the circulation and reduce inflammation. As I told you, zinc to relieve the symptoms of tinnitus, and that contains a high level of zinc. Food contains a high level of zinc, includes seafood and spinach, can relieve tinnitus. So that's all regarding tinnitus. I hope you have enjoyed my video about the information of disease. Then do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay healthy. Thank you.